Hey, I'm Eloise Ansell, and I'm here with the wonderful Terry Ann Nikitas. Hi. We
Hello, love.
are we're gonna run an intuitive tarot workshop on Monday, the 28th of November, 2022, at 7:30 UK time. So there'll be a button somewhere with this where you can find that time for you. And we just wanted to kind of talk around it a little bit and share what we're gonna do with you. I'm very excited. So Terry Ann, what have you got in store for us?
Well, first thing that you should know is that you don't need to know anything about the tarot. We're going to have a little cheat sheet. So if you're a novice or a seasoned reader, this might be, if you're a seasoned reader, very different approach to reading the tarot. So that means we'll focus on asking a question, and I'm not going to tell you the technique, but you'll use, of course, a tarot deck, which is 78 cards, 22 major arcana, 56 minor arcana. And the reason for that is that we need to be able to anchor whatever our intuition says. And what does that mean? Well, sometimes we go off into our imagination and we start giving advice, and you're not really relating it to the card. So we're going to use our intuition to pick out something from the card, and I'm going to train you to do that. And then a very simple process of taking exactly what you see, and that's going to be very, very precise, because some people go, "Oh, I see a hand." And I'm like, probably that's not what you're seeing. You're seeing something very specific. Maybe you're seeing a line, maybe you're seeing a crease, maybe you're seeing. So we'll get very specific and use that word that has really no meaning and give it a meaning in relationship to the card itself, whether it's a major or a minor, and the suit. You don't need to learn any of that. That is going to be given to you as a cheat sheet. We're going to use a single word that is going to make it so easy. And I've been working with this technique, and wow, does it give impressive readings, really, really impressive readings. So, and I'm kind of shocked, actually. I was surprisingly shocked how well it worked, how well this worked. So I don't even know if anyone's got this technique out there, or usually people use metaphorical images or archetypes. We're going to do something very different, so anybody can do this. And it also helps you, even if you know how to read, it helps you gain more depth into your reading. You'll get way more depth, and I find more accuracy. That is kind of what we're looking for in a reading, is to be more precise, because we'd like to bypass this idea that people start giving a general reading, a general idea of what's going on, and get more specific. So it'll be fascinating. I hope you'll join us, and I think you're going to have a lot of fun.
Yay, I can't wait. It's going to be good.
Oh, good, good.